Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Finn, and if you're watching this video, chances are you've probably just purchased the Chromix Blender source file, so thank you very much for that. If you haven't purchased it yet, you can go grab it on assetsupply.com for only a tenner. There was lots of people asking me how I did this chromatic aberration effect and the loop, so I decided to bring it into a source file and make it accessible to literally anyone. If you're a seasoned pro, it will save you time. If you're a complete beginner, download Blender, it's free, open up the file, and within 5 clicks, literally, you can have this effect rendered out, put into a client work or into an Instagram post or whatnot, whatever you're working on. Super simple and accessible. Now, we're gonna jump into Blender now, and I'm gonna show you how it's done within literally 30 seconds. Super simple, super easy. I'll see you in there. So guys, you've downloaded the files, and this is what you'll see. You'll see a Blender file and a Illustrator file to help you guys put your graphics into a square. Real simple. So let's open up the blend and we'll run through it real fast here. So go up into the top right, hit the rendered view so we know what we're doing. Come down to the bottom left, drag up until it's about half the screen. That's what I like to do. Come down to here and go into the shade editor. That's the most important, where we'll be editing the parameters to our liking. So in the top right, you've got change images and change loops. They obviously speak for themselves, but let's go into change images, zoom into here, and then all you want to do is hit the folder icons here. So let's do loops and the second one to infinite, and boom, hit spacebar. And obviously my PC can't handle the super sexy, realistic material of the chromatic aberration effect here live, but once you've rendered it out, it will look super sick. And yeah, you've got your loops ready to go on the right here. And I've even added in some variants for you guys. This is loop number 1, or this is a loop. If you don't like that, you just take the color from the next one, drag it into the displacement, and boom, we've got a different style. Again, fully ready and done for you. All you have to do is come into images, swap them out with your own, make sure they're square, and yeah, play around with the loops however you like them. Little bonus fact how I did it, in case you want to play around and edit them yourselves. Can add in another tab, go to timeline, and this is where you start to see the keyframes for the loops. So yeah, here you can just start to play with them yourselves. You can get super creative. You just edit them, edit the parameters, right click, replace keyframe, and yeah, you can start playing with them yourselves. Obviously, I've added a couple for you guys to play around with here. Should be good enough. I've played around with a couple variants. I like these the most. So yes, back to the studio. Yes guys, that was literally it. Chromix within 5 clicks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find use of it, and I hope you smash out your next client using some sick chromatic aberration effects. If you did like it and you want to see more in the future of this kind of digital products, you can definitely go check out Asset Supply. I've got some other stuff on there as well. Or follow Handsome Method and see how I'm designing. I'm not actually a Blender guru, a Blender specialist. But lots of you guys were asking me how I did this chromatic aberration loop effect, so I figured I'll put it into a super simple, super easy source file for you guys to work with, put my own spin on it, because I know how it is to follow laborious tutorials where you waste a lot of time, you don't exactly know what you're doing, the guys skip steps and stuff. This, 5 clicks and you are sorted. So I hope you liked it. Leave a comment, leave some feedback, let me know how I'm doing so I can get better in the next one. And apart from that, go follow Handsome Method, go follow Asset Supply. I've been Finn, that's been Chromix. See you in the next one. Cheers.